Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making the bloody Bolognese Bucatini from the official Wednesday cookbook. To start off the recipe, I've heated up 1 tablespoon of olive oil in the bottom of a Dutch oven, and I'll be browning up 1 pound of lean ground beef. After about 10 minutes, the meat has browned all the way through, and I'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter is melted, I'll be adding in 1 minced small onion, 2 ribs of minced celery, and 1 large minced carrot, along with 2 teaspoons of salt and a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and I'll allow this to saute for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the carrots have softened and the onions have turned translucent, I'll be adding in 1 cup of white wine and stirring up any brown bits that have accumulated on the bottom of the pot. If you don't want to use wine, you can certainly use 1 cup of chicken stock to replace it. After about 3 minutes, the scent of alcohol is cooked off, and I'll be adding in 1 cup of whole milk. Once the milk came up to a boil, I dropped my temperature down to low. I'm going to allow this to simmer for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the majority of the liquid has evaporated. Once the majority of the liquid is cooked off, I'll be adding in 1 can of whole plum tomatoes. While the tomatoes were coming up to a slow simmer, I went ahead and mashed them down with a potato masher, and now I'll let these simmer for about 3 hours, coming in and stirring it about every 20 minutes, making sure that it doesn't get too dry. After 3 hours of simmering, there should be little to no liquid left in the bolognese. I've gone ahead and cooked 1 pound of bucatini pasta according to the package directions, and I'll be adding in the noodles here, along with half of a cup of the reserved pasta water. I've topped off the bloody Bolognese Bucatini with a little bit of freshly shaved Parmesan cheese. Now all I have left to do is dive in and try it out. I have to say, it smells absolutely fantastic, and I really can't wait to dive in and try it. This is an absolutely fantastic bolognese. The seasoning is perfectly balanced. That tomato flavor has really concentrated and intensified in that slow cook time. Overall, I highly recommend this recipe and the cookbook. Everything I've tried from it so far has been incredible. But unfortunately, that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Volker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.